As Cathaoirleach of Drogheda Cultus, we look forward to welcoming everybody to Drogheda. Drogheda is in a fantastic location on the northeast coast of Ireland. We're just off the M1 motorway. We have brilliant rail links, road links, and it's very easily accessible from all parts of the country and abroad because we're only 25 minutes from Dublin Airport. We have been working here in Drogheda Cultus on our bid for the last 5 years to host Fleadh Cheoil na hÉireann. We're ready, we're willing, and we're able to go.
In Drogheda and the Boyne Valley, we have plenty of great accommodation to host the Fleadh. We have lovely hotels, guest houses and camping sites, which are making an ideal venue for the Fleadh Cheoil na hÉireann.
Fáilte of Cork, go baile Drogheda, and everybody is very welcome here to Drogheda town, which is a compact town with something for everybody. We have a wonderful tourist office with an interactive display where you can find information on our history, on what to do, the activities for all the family, pubs with music, fabulous food, everything from chippers to pizzerias and gourmet dining. So Drogheda an áit le bheith do Fleadh Cheoil na hÉireann. It is a wonderful place, so everybody come along for ceol agus crack an seo I mbaile Drogheda.
An Garda Síochána are delighted to support the bid to bring the Fleadh Cheoil to the town of Drogheda in 2018. It's a week-long event with events across the whole town of Drogheda, and we have a significant traffic management plan in place to ensure that people can get in and out of the town for the whole week, to ensure that the park and ride system works effectively, and on the final weekend of the event itself, to ensure that up to 200,000 visitors to the town have a safe and enjoyable visit to Drogheda for the Fleadh Cheoil.
Welcome to Ballymckenny College. Our state-of-the-art facility has a sports hall, courtyard and a multitude of classrooms that can be used for competition. Hope to see you all in Drogheda in 2018.
Here in Drogheda, we are well used to running major events such as the Maritime Festival, and we have loads of volunteers in place ready and willing to make Fleadh Cheoil na hÉireann a success.
I'm Tommy Leddy from the TL Theatre in Drogheda. Our theatre is the biggest in Drogheda. We hold up to 900 people. Then you have the Barbican, which holds up to around 500 people. After that, the Drogheda Arts Centre can hold up to 200. Between us all, we can cater for all Irish music for the Fleadh Cheoil. We are brilliant.
Hello, I love playing the fiddle here in Drogheda.
I love playing the box here with my friends in Drogheda.
I can't wait for the Fleadh Cheoil to come to Drogheda.